Hello and welcome to Sourcing Management module. So in this module, we will focus on the sources for suppliers, technologies, and products, and how we will source them, search for them, how we will select these suppliers, and the supplier documentation needed to complete the supplier registration on your system. So this course also includes a supplier creation form that you can download and use in your organization or enhance the current form that you already have in your company. This course includes what sourcing management is, gather the requirement, and sources you have, in-house sources, local or national sourcing, and international sourcing. Then we will go through the supplier selection criteria, the supplier documentation, and supplier creation form. We will go through all these parts thoroughly for you to have a complete picture of the supplier background, finances, references, certificates, what kind of team they have, and their qualifications. Finally, we have a summary of this module. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.